Hey guys, this is Christian here, and I am showing off the new One UI 2.0. Now, there are a few small tweaks to the interface, probably no massive major changes, but the tweaks that are there are pretty useful. For example, there's a new dark mode. Now, the original One UI did have a dark mode, but it wasn't as deeply integrated with the rest of the user interface. So, for example, the light mode there, you can see this widget is kind of a light color. Turn on dark mode, much darker and much more true to what a dark mode should look like. Now there are other tweaks too. You can see here's a home screen folder of apps. In the original One UI, that home screen folder would take up the whole display. This one only takes up kind of the bottom, I guess, 3/4 or 2/3 of the display. That's mostly to make it more useful for one-handed use, which is a handy feature. There are a few other small tweaks too. For example, here on the camera, there's now a new More section where you can get a much easier view of the different modes that you can use, and even long press them to be easily accessible within the camera, for example, if you use particular modes a lot. The lock screen has been changed a little bit as well. So with the new One UI, it can analyze certain sections of your lock screen wallpaper to make the clock and the calendar more easy to read. So on the old interface, it would probably analyze the whole wallpaper and make this kind of the time and the date a kind of light color, which is kind of hard to read when you are like on a white background. So on this one, it analyzes the specific section of where the time and date is and makes it a dark color, so it's easy to read. Last but not least, in full screen mode, the interface has been redesigned a little bit to make it a little less I guess, intrusive while you're watching a video or playing a game. I can't really trigger that because I don't know this phone's phone number, but I can show you some screenshots. So this is the original One UI. Pretty intrusive, kind of large. Yep. I don't know what random photo that is. Here's the new One UI. Much smaller, easier to keep watching your video or playing your game. Now, as you can see, all these tweaks are pretty small, no major changes. Really, the biggest difference is that One UI 2 works on Android 10 instead of Android 9, but still some handy features there and should be good for any Samsung user out there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. See ya.